Hey, what's up, busybodies? Maricris here again with another 5-minute workout for you. I'm just asking 5 minutes, so that's all I need, 100%, and it's up to you if you want to do round 2, round 3, make it your own, but it's full body, so I'm going to take care of everything for you, okay? 1 minute on, 15 seconds off. Got my timer here, per usual. Time has started, and we're going to start out with core, because that's my favorite thing, and it's a great way to activate to make sure you do the rest of your workout right. So coming down, we are starting out with brush and twist. Start seated up, lean back till your core engages, and take it side to side. Your choice, heels down or heels up. I want heels up because I want it to burn faster. And I don't always accept all the burn, but I love my core burning because it just feels good, it feels tight, it feels snatched. That cool term used today. Side to side. I always say too that when you feel it burn, rather than just being upset about it because it has to happen, I just say that's the sexy coming in. So let it happen. Why would you deny that? Side to side. Keep that chest up and open. And time. Already like that, 1 minute done. We are coming up, we got power squats. So you're saying traditional squat, but you're gonna go a little bit faster. Okay, add that power, push through, waiting for the go right here. And it's a go. Take it down, up. Same thing, knees in line, second and third toe. Sometimes as we go faster, we can get a little crazy. No, keep that quality. You can always get faster, but give me the quality first so you build that right foundation. Down and up. And to another thing I'll notice, sometimes like we'll get tired and we'll like just halfway get there. No, finish that ish all the way. Come on, 1 minute, stay in line. Whew. Fix my footing here. Pull quads. Holy quads. And time. All right, 15 seconds, minimal break, but that's okay, because it's 5 minutes. Coming down, plank ups. It's like push-up position, high plank, however you want to start. Arms directly under shoulders. Okay, get a wide base, drop that right arm, left arm, and then come back up. If you're coordinated enough, go ahead, alternate sides as you come up and up. Up and up, up and down. I can't speak because I'm focused here. Make sure as you're doing this that your arms don't like start to shift to like weird places, and also that wide base because you don't want to like be trying to push yourself up. Find a way to be stable. If you get tired, you need a modification, drop to your knees, same thing. Hips and everything gotta go down. Don't get into this because all of a sudden it feels easy. Nope. Even if you slow it down, focus on bringing those arms directly on there. Woo! You get tired, hold plank, get back to it, and time. Like that, we're halfway through. Okay, we're gonna stay here. We got double Supermans. So regular Superman is 1, double we're gonna hit 2. Time is on, vibrating, 1 off. Whew. This is like your extra credit effort to lift just a little bit higher, increase that strength. I'm definitely sweating, not feeling, for sure. Come on, let's do it. It's 5 minutes, 5 minutes. We're already on minute 4. Breathe when it's the hard part. 15 seconds till our final one, which is skaters going side to side. I will take you through the progression. Take your pick, okay? Side to side. You want that weight to be on that front leg, so even if you tap that foot down, don't shift your weight, because the goal is speed here. This is like our little cardio move for the circuit. And then when you get better, it's just a light tap. Really push and settle in that leg. All right, and then when you're really good, don't even put that back foot down. Push, push, push. Here we go. Low key though, I used to want to be Michelle Kwan. Never took ice skating lessons though, because I heard it costs a lot as a kid, because you're constantly gonna have to like change your shoe size. But I would practice downstairs in the garage. Whew. But this is as far as I've gotten in my ice skating career. Whew. Push, sit on that leg. Goal is lateral. Whew. Push, 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 and time. Yes. All right, we have made it. 5 minutes. Yeah, busybody, you did it. You made time for you. And remember, busybodies, it's about your mindset, your food, the way you move. We took care of the way we move right now. Now you gotta go fuel yourself to make sure you didn't waste this workout. You gotta feed the gains and mindset. Sometimes we gotta do something as easy as just getting those first 5 minutes of working out to get through the rest. You already did it, it's up to you. You're your own boss. What do you wanna do the rest of the day? But just give yourself that credit that you did put in some work. And remember, as a matter of breath, it is not about perfection, it is about progression. Keep building up at your own speed. It is you versus you. And I will see you again, because this is not the last workout. See you next time.